Robbie Williams has claimed he has nowhere to live, but that's not exactly true. Yes, he sold off his LA and Wiltshire homes but has still got an incredible property empire worth a mind-blowing £44 million. 5. Robbie Williams has claimed he has nowhere to live. Credit, Redferns. 5. Yet he splashed a staggering £24 million on a magnificent dream villa in Switzerland. 5. The dad of 3 said we haven't got an abode right now. Credit, PA, Press Association. The chart topper moaned he and his family haven't got an abode after shifting his haunted country mansion for £6.75 million in January. He also offloaded his Los Angeles pad last week, and it was quickly snapped up by rapper Drake for £37 million after the asking price was dropped from $100 million, £76 million. Robbie, 48, said he and his wife Ida Field, 42, and their 4 children Theodora, Charlie, Colette and Beau are now trying to work out where to go. The singer explained, "We're actually living nowhere. We haven't got an abode right now, we've pretty much sold everywhere, we don't live anywhere and we're trying to figure it out." The 4 kids are constantly a Rubik's Cube puzzle that we're trying to sort out, because if they are school then they don't see me because I'm all over the place. And if they are homeschooled then they have another set of things that are a problem. We are just trying to figure it all out. The star is said to still own a £24 million house in Switzerland, where he moved his wife Ida Field's mother last year. And he has the option of bunking up in his mega mansion in West London, worth a cool £17.5 million. Robbie had struggled to sell his Wiltshire home and also had to drop the asking price. Speaking on a podcast previously, Robbie said, "It gives me the creeps. Teddy told me, that room scares me. I don't like that house. I said, it scares me too. You don't have to sleep there anymore. If there is great grief or great pain or tragedy, I think it can soak into the walls and leave an essence there that remains for a very, very long time." 5. He sold his country home, Compton Bassett House, in Wiltshire. 5. The incredible home had a huge swimming pool but was apparently haunted. Credit, www.snappyben.co.uk.